Hi creative friend, it's Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and today we're partnering with our friends at Real Layers Frosting to bring you a simple and sweet DIY gift idea. So what I really appreciate about this frosting is that there's no artificial flavors, it's nut-free, kosher, gluten-free, and it comes in 3 delicious flavors. Like, it's really good. Yes, I have people who are trying to steal this frosting all the time. So we're going to show you how to make an adorable DIY gift with them that's perfect to give to your friends, family, the teachers, neighbors, and you can make gourmet cupcakes in no time flat. So let's get started. And that's it. You have really adorable and simple DIY gift ideas for your neighbors and friends and family. Thank you so much to our friends at Real Layers Frosting for making such a delicious, spreadable, irresistible buttercream frosting for the whole family to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Take care. Bye. Okay, you can't laugh so much.